Do you have a surgery coming up and are experiencing anxiety, uncertainty, outright fear? That's all totally normal. Medical procedures can be a common struggle for many. Whether it's a specific past experience that was a bit negative, or maybe you've never had surgery, or maybe it's something specific about this particular upcoming surgery. So this session will help banish those feelings of being overwhelmed, the worries about anesthesia, any fear of pain or scarring, doubts about the medical team, even though you probably have none, but sometimes any of those fears can arise as you approach your surgery date. So see in the description box for links to the research that's been done on how and why this type of session works. For today, rate yourself on a 1 to 10 scale. How the idea of surgery, the unknown, the loss of control makes you feel today, right now. And we'll check back in after tapping to see where that's at. If you get overwhelmed, just keep tapping and breathing. Let the memory, the sensation, the emotion that's come up, just let it come up and process through. And then get back to repeating after me when you can. Tap with, repeat after me. Even though I feel this intense fear about having surgery, I choose to gently explore, feeling more at ease with it. Even though my body reacts with anxiety at the thought of the surgery, I'm open to the possibility of feeling calmer. Even though sometimes it feels beyond fear, more like a whole body, absolutely not. I honor this. And I thank my body and mind for doing what it feels will protect me best. Even though a part of me dreads going through with this surgery, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. This feeling of fear about the anesthesia. What if I don't wake up? I know it's incredibly safe. I'm okay. I know I'll be closely monitored. It's okay to trust my team. The rooms always look so big on TV. So many people moving around. All those loud, unfamiliar noises of an operating room. The sound just amplifies my anxiety. But I'm letting that all go. All the technology, all the noise. It's keeping me safe. I trust it now. All that space is for all those people to do their jobs. That's what's going to keep me healthy. I'm safe. I'm okay. Dropping these surgery worries now. The fear of pain after surgery, what if it's unbearable? It won't be. Pain medication, hypnosis, I have lots of options. Releasing the worries of pain now. I'm focused on the end result. Oh, just the thought of the incisions. I hate the idea of scars. It's okay, that's normal. But they will fade in time. Scars are okay, they don't make me weak or less. They show what I survived. I'm safe right now, even thinking about this surgery. Any tension or stress around trusting the medical team, I drop it now. Any anxieties about being vulnerable and out of control, all these worries making me uncertain and fearful, dropping it all. Letting it go, releasing it here. Releasing any fear of not trusting the medical team. Holding on to calm for this surgery. My body can learn to feel safe, even in a hospital. I'm worthy of feeling calm and secure. And I anchor into all these good feelings faster and faster each time I tap. I am worthy of feeling safe, especially for a surgery I know I need to have. I'm letting go of even the anticipation of fear. I need this surgery now, so I'm dropping this fear here. Any thoughts of being afraid or panicked about this surgery, I acknowledge them. They're valid. Any feelings of vulnerability right now, I release it. I release the intensity now. The strength it's taken to even consider going through the surgery, I honor myself for that. Choosing to feel calmer and calmer all the way up to surgery time. I trust myself. I trust my medical team. Letting go of any fear or anxiety, breath by breath. I choose to feel safer and more secure about my surgery now. I release any fear or panic associated with surgery or recovery. I'm worthy of feeling calm about my upcoming surgery. I honor my courage in facing this fear for my health, because I know my health is the most important thing. I'm strong and capable of being peaceful, even in a hospital. And I'm ready to go into surgery anxiety-free. I'm ready to recover from surgery quickly and get on with a happy, healthy life. Take a deep breath. Notice any subtle shifts. Keep tapping today or once or twice a day until that 1 to 10 is down to a 0. And even as you're on your way to the hospital or sitting in the waiting room or the pre-op room, tapping is a process, but it can be pretty effective in just one session. So yeah, just be gentle with yourself and acknowledge your courage. Surgery is a big deal, but you're safe in this moment, and so tapping allows you to kind of bring that safety up, and so it's always with you. I've had probably 20 surgeries, young childhood through now, so I'm grateful this isn't a fear of mine. A bit like flying, I'm just able to, I don't know, I figure I'm asleep or in the back of the plane, so I'm out of control anyway. I might as well just relax and let the experts handle it. But I have had other fears, so I get what you're going through. And I handled those with a combination of tapping and some hypnosis for one or two of them, but tapping was the one that helped me the most, and then anchoring. So stick with me for just a second. Now that you've tapped through once, you may remember one of the statements mentioned anchoring. So here's a quick way to do this so you can calm yourself even as you're taken into pre-op, which can be unnerving since they rolled you away from family and friends. And then they do tend to keep chatting to you to keep you from overthinking, if I had to guess. I should ask some of my nurse or doctor friends, come to think of it. But anyway, so as you tap a few rounds, to get down to the 0, when we mention positive statements and anchoring, or any of the positive statements, focus on one part of your body. You might choose your wrist, earlobe, right between your eyes, anywhere is fine. And that way you can anchor into the calm. So even as we're tapping and saying the statements and saying what we're doing, deep breath, focus on the easy feelings and literally tapping that statement into your wrist or your earlobe or wherever you've chosen. No matter where you're tapping it into that anchor point. And then you can focus on that when you're in the surgical suite or, in the waiting room. And help bring yourself straight down and into calm. So I'm glad to see you here taking care of yourself. And you're definitely worth the effort to ease your anxieties. We all have them, and about all different things. So thanks for tapping with me today. Please drop me an email or share your thoughts in the comments on how else I can help with surgery or any other fears or habits you'd like to build or drop, and I'm happy to try and put a video together for you. If this helped, please like, subscribe. You'll get notified of new videos, and sharing and commenting does help me reach other people and keep me in the algorithms, help my channel grow, and for that I am very grateful. And good luck with your surgery, and best of health to you. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Later.